I'm Jessica Washington, a senior reporter at The Root, and here's what you may not know. We already know that the New York Police Department is nothing like what you see on Law & Order, but a new lawsuit just dropped with some pretty serious new allegations against the NYPD that, if true, cast a much darker shadow on the department. According to the lawsuit, the NYPD has been illegally sending people with warrants in their system to Rikers and other city jails without putting them before a judge. Lawyers in this case say this isn't just a one-off, but a policy enacted by the NYPD spanning back years. The NYPD public information officer declined to speak to The Root for this story because of the pending litigation. But there's still a lot to talk about with this lawsuit. According to the document, some of these warrants aren't even valid. Paul Phillips, the lead plaintiff in this case, says he was detained for 4 days in Rikers in 2020 over an already vacated warrant from the 1980s. According to the lawsuit, had a judge actually looked at the warrant, it would have been readily apparent that the warrant was invalid. If this is true, it's unsurprising that an experience like that would be traumatizing for Phillips, who says he experienced a panic attack at the sight of a police car because he's worried about getting sent back to Rikers. Conditions at the jail are notoriously awful. As of September, 16 people have already died in Rikers this year. Lawyers for Phillips and the other 4 plaintiffs argue that so long as the NYPD can use zombie warrants like Phillips to detain people, he and the other 4 plaintiffs in this case and the countless other New Yorkers are still in danger of being locked up in Rikers and other city jails. The lawsuit is asking that the court put a stop to the alleged NYPD policy, calling it an extrajudicial campaign of terror and kidnapping. To keep up with this unfolding story and more news on the criminal justice system, check out theroot.com.